MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka Public Accounts Committee ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly metagasngi limbagi dekat jangka kala Hiar District Ban Jurip ya ka Modern and Hygienic Fish Market ke badan ha Snem Saiden ha kini Hiar Jurip la sakhi la ilam duba Charles Pingrop beri chairman ke Public Accounts Committee bat kentup gi dekat bala donlang ba la kemen remboi ba geben melemngap report momen ba Arden Mila Basaimaj bat kentup iki officer na ketanat fishery bat na ke district Ribhoi. Kidikot kini komiti apa persang penyekren bagi nang tok kebor kela kentaj ban pensyai bat ke ke bagi penpau kolong bakin saai ka kaifat syaka sarkar ban le ke badan kam kat kum gejing lap ha kini gejing jurip.
That would cause a lot of nuisance and in the Snem. So because of that, Professional Saiden offered this land for free for us to construct this. Whichever farmer, whichever vendor would take a small ground would
Put a fish out there.
yes, sir. So which means the perishability of the commodity is
Are they still open?
yes, sir.
Oh, so let's get this clear. The building was built by the fisheries department and handed over to the Shnong. That means the fisheries department nothing to do with it. So it's up to the Shnong and Tidiolam
Yes,
to
sir.
manage
But
it.
it's just that by the Empowerment Committee in 2020 when we visited this site, they asked us to handhold to help them. So that's what we did.
So you're just giving them professional help.
Yes, sir.
From the Shnong through the market committee. The Shnong had tried to operationalize it 2-3 times, came to us with a few suggestions to also allow other commodities to be included, agriculture commodities. That permission was granted in 2020, but the lockdown started, so then the market again closed down.
MeghalayaPost.news.